Start. All right, it has started. And let's show what's going on over here. It's kind of far and I can't even scroll, but I'll show you guys. Okay, hi everybody. So I just shot my final video for the year. Well, not for Jamaicans.com, for my blog livewellja.com. But I have to let you in on the surprise and the wonderful awesomeness here at Cortina Avenue in Walton Park. That's in Kingston 11. Kingston 10 or Kingston 11? You guys not sure, don't? Kingston 10 or 11, one of them. So I'm here with the Dublin Castle football team. And they are actually competing in this six-a-side football tournament. All right, I'll let them introduce themselves. So we have here, say your name.
I'm Neville Clew.
Neville Clew, and your name?
I am Nikai Morrison.
And you're part of the?
Dublin Castle football team.
All right, so why you decided to be a part of this six-a-side football competition?
Well, we know the organizer for quite some time now. So, you know, he gave us a call and asked us to come be a part of, you know, this little competition. And we take the opportunity, you know, because we always want to, you know, contribute. It's actually a charity event. And, you know, we want to be a part of that, you know.
Yeah, you conquer? You want to add anything?
No, basically same thing.
Alright, so this feature is called Jamaica Smiles, right? And one of the things that I love about Jamaica is that we are very giving of ourselves. The first thing that we're going to do is to give it, even if it is a smile. What do you like about Jamaica? Tell me 5 things you like about Jamaica.
Well, the food, you know, the culture.
Yeah, too.
You know, we like the people.
Yeah.
You know, we like the competitiveness of the Jamaicans as well.
What you mean by that?
Well, we understand that we are a very competitive, you know, nation.
Yeah. And what else? 5, we need a 5th one.
I mean, the vibes.
The vibes. Yeah. When you say the vibes, what you mean?
I mean, the whole how we operate, you know.
Yeah, full of vibes.
Right.
Jacqueline Stewart is saying that I hope you all win. So how are you guys doing in the competition so far?
We're going good so far now. We're semi-final and we're
yeah?
the other 2 teams.
So how you reach semi-final? I saw no good?
Of course. I mean, we have it like that.
Yes. Is this the first time you enter in a six-a-side competition?
No?
No?
Yeah.
This is like you're how much now or you can't count?
Well, we have gone a lot, so, you know, we can't far. We weren't keeping score.
So you think you're winning today?
Yeah, man, of course.
Alright, part proceeds is actually going towards a Christmas treat that is being organized for a children's home. How do you feel about that?
Well, as I mentioned earlier on, you know, once it's a charity event, you know, we always want to be a part of it, you know, and we just want to show our support, you know, to the children homes, you know, in Jamaica, because we know that there are a lot and they need our support. So wherever these kind of competition is, we'll always try to be a part of it. Awesome,
awesome. All right. So you told me 5 things that you like about Jamaica. Tell me one thing that you don't really like about Jamaica.
Well, definitely. The
crime and violence. Both of you say it.
Yeah,
all right. What do you think we can do to correct this crime and violence problem?
Well, we have to try and educate the youths. You know, that's one of the main things. You know, we have to try and bend the tree from it young, because, you know, lack of education is a main contributor to crime and violence, you know, that we are now experiencing. Yeah.
Yes.
So we just need to educate the youths and
teach
try
them the right.
Right. Yeah. And try to find, you know, different programs and place them so that they can strive and know how to survive, separate and apart from crime and violence.
Awesome. Howard Dillon is saying enough respect to the team and continued success.
Yeah, man, enough respect.
All right.
Come on, pick up yourself.
Awesome. Thank you. All right. So that is the Dublin Castle team, and they're actually at the semi-finals of this exercise competition. I'm actually going to speak with another representative here from a charity organization, charity group, but I gotta stop here. Oh, hold on. Jacqueline Swart said, Bukaya, true, my brothers. All right. You have a fun. Big up, Jacqueline. All right, I'm going to tune in once more, but just keep posted on the page. I'm going to go live once more so that I can set up the scene and go a little closer to the football tournament so you can see what's happening.